Yamaha MT-15 V2.0 finally launched, upcoming dream car. Introduction. The wait is finally over. Yamaha has officially launched the much-anticipated MT-15 version 2.0, and it's already making waves in the Streetfighter segment. Welcome to Upcoming Dream Car, your one-stop channel for the latest bike and car updates. Let's dive into what makes this new version of the MT-15 so exciting. Design and styling. The MT-15 V2.0 continues its aggressive street-naked design, inspired by the dark side of Japan philosophy. With a sharp LED headlamp, bold tank design, and muscular stance, it looks more premium than ever. The new color options add an extra edge, making it a true head-turner on the streets. Engine and performance. Under the hood, it carries the powerful 155cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine with VVA, variable valve actuation. Producing around 18.4 PS of power and 14.1 Nm of torque, this engine offers quick acceleration, high-end performance, and excellent fuel efficiency. Whether you're riding in the city or on highways, the MT-15 V2.0 handles it all smoothly. Features and technology. Yamaha has equipped the MT-15 V2.0 with upside-down front forks, a Delta box frame, and a rear monoshock for enhanced stability. It also includes a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app, and a side stand engine cutoff feature for added safety. Final verdict. The Yamaha MT-15 version 2.0 is a perfect blend of power, style, and advanced features. It's a great choice for riders who want a sporty yet practical machine. Stay tuned to Upcoming Dream Car for more updates on the latest bikes and cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.